Want to use your Amazon Alexa as a Bluetooth speaker with your Windows 11 PC? Well, once it is connected to your Windows 11 on your PC or laptop, you can enjoy all your PC audio through Alexa. In this video, I'll show you how to pair and use Alexa as a Bluetooth speaker with your Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Step 1. Put your Alexa device in pairing mode. Say, Alexa, pair Bluetooth. Your Alexa device will respond that it is searching for devices. Step 2. Connect from your laptop or desktop, Windows. Tap the Start button, go to Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices from the left sidebar. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Tap on the Add Device button, then tap Bluetooth. It will start to search. Now select your Echo Dot device here, and your Echo Dot is connected to your desktop. Tap Done. Now play music. If you don't hear any sound on your Alexa speaker, that means other audio device is connected with your PC like headphone or something else. Now you need to select Amazon Alexa to hear sound. To do that, tap System from the left sidebar. Next, tap Sound. Now select Speakers Echo Dot or your device name. Then play music again. And here it is. So friends, this is how you can pair and use Alexa as a Bluetooth speaker with your Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.